What's up, you guys? So let's take a look at S&P. Let's start off with 3 monthly. It's very important. It's very important that we pay attention to this price right here because it's going to be a strong support or resistance. So it's going to be a strong support going on down. Anyways, monthly, weekly. Let me mark the weekly also with the alarm. Daily. So we see right here, even though we dropped, most likely it had to do with some news about tariffs, especially because he sent the letters this morning, and it was sent to Japan and Korea, pretty much telling them, you know, there's gonna be a 25% tariff or whatever it's already on, whatever percent's already on the tariffs of each of the countries. If the countries fight back, he's pretty much gonna match them to whatever they're gonna they're gonna try to throw at the United States. So besides that, the market, still looking forward for Powell pretty much, and the decision that's gonna happen on Wednesday. So tomorrow, we should just have this still rally. We should get stuck in these prices, and I'll give you more details. But unless Trump or these other countries, unless Trump doesn't tweet something bad about tariffs, or these other countries tweet or say something on live TV about tariffs, then the market will drop a little bit more again. But Tuesday night, as we get closer to the morning, you're gonna see the market again stabilize and pick up again because it's really waiting for Powell. After Powell, I think we got some data on Thursday, and that's about it. If I believe we're gonna sustain pretty much above the 3 monthly that we just closed on. Actually, I believe we're gonna see. Look, it's down here, so I believe we're either gonna hold up this region, and then worst come, maybe just somewhere here, and then go back up again and go for the all-time high. But it depends on Wednesday, where we close Wednesday. And then Thursday could save us and bring us back up again. That's if we do drop. That way, also you gotta remember that this coming week, the bank's coming out with earnings. So depending how the forecast has been for them, investors are gonna keep an eye on that. So they should pick up the market again. So regardless, I still the market is gonna somehow recover because it's manipulated, right? So it's gonna recover somehow. And I'll let you know in a minute with more information. Let's see, even if we do drop, this is the bottom. This tell me there's a strong cushion right here. I explained this, how this works in my other videos, so I won't go into it. Oh, I'll put the Fibonacci too. So alright. So pretty much I believe the market's just gonna do this. Where see we held the cushion, and then now we're gonna go on up. And we're not really gonna go up strong, unless Trump or something about tariffs being solved, or pretty much America having the upper hand on tariffs. If if somebody like Trump or somebody tweets, him pretty much like, hey, you win, okay, you get your something like that, or hint that they're agreeing tomorrow, I mean Wednesday, then the market's gonna start rallying earlier or somewhere at noon or somewhere around 11. But regardless, it's gonna be bullish again, unless Powell says something bad about the market, which I doubt it. Every time he's been on, he always talks about how the market is doing good. There's no need to go down or whatnot. So it's either gonna say the same shit, or he's gonna surprise and say and hint that he's gonna cut rates, whether it be September, sometime this year. That's gonna make the market rally up strong, and most likely S&P is gonna create a new all-time high or just close up here, be up in this region above the 50, and then wait for Monday. If we have Monday and Tuesday data, but really it's gonna be, I think the banks come out on next Tuesday, but it could be a Wednesday. So regardless, that's gonna move really the market. Um, Let me go to the 1 hour candle real quick. And you can see even the indicators tell me this is your entry, these are your targets. There's a thin resistance. It's gonna break that, especially because 11:14. The the 4 hour candle closes at 1. So this is a time when the market, or when the S&P really goes for the move, will show you what it's gonna do. So let me put my garbage and my mess, my boxes. So these boxes, let me take this crap away. Alright, so like I said in my other video, I break down these the graph or the chart in sections. This dotted purple line right here. Actually, let me take this off. So this blue line is a weekly, and that's where we closed a week. A week. See, the purple one is where we closed a 3 monthly, and then I break it down. I go down from there to the daily. So if you look at the boxes, you have the monthly to the weekly to the next strong one, which is this yellow one, which is a 12 hour candle. We close right here, and then we end up going down. Let me see. This is making confusing, I know. There you go. You close up here. Take that off. Oh shit. So I forgot to. So these right here in my other video, I say the same shit. I explained what they were. There's a 50 Fibonacci of each time frame. There's a 4 candle 50 Fibonacci. That's where you see the 50. And this is a 2 hour. So if I go to the 4, you guys see the 50 Fibonacci right here. And if you go to the 2, you're gonna see it right here. Actually, it's down here. So, what the markets tell me and how the candles are reacting right now, the market gonna try to break through this, and it's gonna try to hold in here by this 250 Fibonacci. So, if anything, it's gonna wait right here, wait for the market to open, and if anything, we may peak in the morning. But if anything, we'll just stay here. If not, we're gonna reject and just again have have some bullshit time here, maybe test this report again, and as 4 or 5 in the morning come, we'll pass it, and then we'll be in this region by 7, 8 in the morning. If not, if we can get in some bullshit ass news about, whether it be Trump or um, whatever, just some bad news, the market's gonna come down to these regions right here. But as we get to nighttime, we're gonna start picking up more, anticipating the results of the tariffs and what Powell's gonna say. But yeah, we either by 11:40, if we keep resisting by 11, I mean 12:30, 12:15, 12:30, we're most likely gonna reject and just come back down and test the region. And as we go close to 3, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and then we'll break to this region. It all depends what kind of news we get towards the day. If we really break it, just to give investors that excitement of Wednesday coming up, and we'll most likely close the day inside of this box right here. If not, we'll drop and close somewhere here. But again, as we get to Wednesday, you'll see the market pick up again. That's it for this, you guys. Sorry for making this all ugly, but yeah, that's it for this.